Imagine a car that bridges the gap between timeless heritage and cutting-edge innovation. A machine so exclusive, so powerful, it redefines what it means to be extraordinary. This is the Ferrari Daytona SP3, an icon in motion, a tribute to legends past, yet firmly rooted in the future. The Daytona SP3 isn't just another supercar, it's the third jewel in Ferrari's Icona series, following the Monza SP1 and SP2. Limited to just 599 units worldwide, this masterpiece sold out before its public debut. And for good reason. With a price tag around $2.25 million, owning one wasn't merely about having a car, it was about possessing a piece of automotive history. Inspired by the legendary Ferrari V12 sports prototypes of the 60s, specifically the iconic 330 P3/4, the Daytona SP3 pays homage to Ferrari's golden era. Remember the 1967 24 Hours of Daytona? That unforgettable 1-2-3 finish etched into motorsport lore? Well, this car captures that spirit and elevates it to new heights. At the heart of the Daytona SP3 lies a symphony of engineering brilliance. A naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, codenamed Type F 140HC, producing a staggering 840 PS, 829 GP, at 9,250 revolutions per minute, and delivering 697 nanometers, 514 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse screams all the way to an astonishing 9,500 revolutions per minute. It's not just fast, it's visceral, raw, and alive. And how does all that power translate on the road? In pure adrenaline. 0 to 100 kilometers per h in just 2.85 seconds, 0 to 200 kilometers per h in 7.4 seconds, and a top speed exceeding 340 kilometers per h, 211 miles per hour. But numbers alone don't tell the story. The Daytona SP3 doesn't just move, it dances. Its rear, mid-engine layout and advanced aerodynamics make every twist and turn feel like poetry in motion. But the Daytona SP3 isn't just about performance, it's a work of art. Drawing inspiration from the voluptuous curves and sharp lines of 1960s sports prototypes, its Targa top body combines nostalgia with modernity. Every surface, every detail has been meticulously crafted using Formula One grade composite materials. Lightweight, strong, and breathtakingly beautiful. Inside, luxury meets purpose. The minimalist yet driver-focused cabin blends carbon fiber, leather, and Alcantara, creating an environment that feels both futuristic and intimate. After all, when you're behind the wheel of a Daytona SP3, nothing else matters. For those lucky enough to secure one of these 599 units, or perhaps even the rumored, hey, 599 plus one special edition, the possibilities are endless. Through Ferrari's tailor-made program, owners can personalize nearly every aspect of their Daytona SP3, ensuring no two cars are alike. Each one becomes a unique expression of its owner's vision. The Ferrari Daytona SP3 isn't just a car, it's a celebration of everything Ferrari stands for: passion, performance, and unparalleled craftsmanship. Whether you call it the pinnacle of the Icona series or simply a rolling masterpiece, one thing is certain: the Daytona SP3 will forever remain a symbol of excellence. Subscribe for more stories about the world's most incredible machines.